I believe this course is unique because it's one of the few courses in Ireland that combines skill sets in IIoT, digital twins, digital manufacturing, digital inspection, advanced automation. So it's a real skill set for the students to come out with, and it's very practical driven, especially with the fact that it's 100% continuous assessment. And I think that's a real attraction to professionals who are working and want to study part-time, as well as students who want to embrace a practical learning at master's level in a full-time capacity. This course is a 90 credit level 9 taught master's course. So there are 6 taught modules within the course and then a 30 credit dissertation or industry-based project. And it's the student's decision whether they do a 30 credit research type dissertation or an applied project, which would be in line with their current job role or an industrial need within the space of manufacturing. In terms of time that a student should expect to spend on the course, we aim for around 12 hours contact time per week in a full-time capacity. But it's really important to note that this is a master's, so there is a requirement for independent learning hours outside of your contact time with lecturers. I feel that all the modules are really attractive in this course, but a really standout module for me from the course is Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, and Cyber Physical Systems. So I believe not only will the students really enjoy the module, but they'll get a really strong skill set to take with them into industry from that module. So everything they learn in theory, they'll put into practice. And we feel that that's a really important thing to address the skills shortages, both nationally and internationally at present within the manufacturing sector. So the career opportunities for graduates from this course would include graduate roles, particularly high-end graduate roles in advanced manufacturing, or senior management roles in large multinational manufacturing companies. So a student coming out with these skill sets will be highly sought after, both nationally and internationally, in industries that are trying to bring in more advanced manufacturing and trying to, embrace the change in a sustainable manner to drive their efficiencies within the manufacturing process. And it's important to note that there are high salaries and starting salaries for this type of skill set. So our graduates coming from this will be highly regarded in those skill sets and highly sought after in those skill sets, both nationally and internationally.